Today we're changing the battery on a LiftMaster L956W wireless control panel. This wall control is usually mounted on the wall, so before we change the battery, we'll remove it from the wall first. Start by flipping open the button cover. Inside, you'll see the first screw holding the unit in place. Use a screwdriver to remove that screw, and make sure you don't lose it. Once that screw is out, the unit is still hanging on a second hidden mounting screw. To release it from the wall, slide the control panel up and toward you. This should unhook it from the screw and allow you to remove the unit from the wall. Now flip the control panel over. You should see the circuit board right away. Look for the small screw holding the circuit board to the plastic housing. Remove that screw carefully and set it aside somewhere safe. Once the screw is out, you can lift the circuit board out of the housing. Flip the board over, and now you'll see the battery compartment. To remove the old battery, slide it out in the direction shown by the arrow on the board. The replacement battery is a CR2032 coin battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and slide it back into the battery compartment, following the direction shown by the arrows. Make sure the battery sits flat and secure inside the holder. Now we can reassemble the control panel. Place the circuit board back into the housing. It should sit nicely inside the small plastic guide points. Once it's lined up properly, reinstall the screw that holds the board in place. That's it! Your LiftMaster L956W wireless control panel has a fresh battery and is ready to be used again. Stick around to see the instructions and manual that came inside the box. You're welcome to pause the video at any point and take screenshots. Thanks for watching Garage Door Geeks.